How to buy USDT from OKX. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can buy USDT on OKX, so kindly watch to the end. The first step is to sign in into your OKX account just like I have done here, and then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see um different cryptocurrencies and their rates, and then the next step is move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots, and then once you click on this, you'll be taken to your profiles page automatically. All right. So on this page, you can see different tabs such as shortcuts, manage access, trade, grow, etc. Just move to your manage access and then click on the buy button. Now, after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to select your preferred method of buying USDT. You can buy USDT using PayPal or a credit card. And the reason why mine is displaying this is because for you to be able to carry out transactions on your AKX account, you have to ensure that you've carried out all of the verification processes, which this is one of them. And so carry it out if you've not, and then come back here, click on buy, and then you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how you can buy USDT on OKX. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.